Hi guys, welcome to a new guitar tutorial. In this video we're going to learn how to play the song Sweet Dreams, a song by the British duo Eurythmics, but I'm going to show you the version that Marilyn Manson does. So take your guitar and let's begin. We're going to start with the first riff of the song, and they use this riff on the intro and on the verse, and it was with power chords. We're going to take the first finger and put it on the first fret on the 5th string, and then the third finger on the 5th fret 4th string, and there we have the first power chord. But with the right hand, instead of playing both strings, we are going to play 2 times the 5th, 4th and 5th. 5, 5, 4, 5. You get it? Then with the left hand, we play with the 4th finger the 6th fret of the 4th string, and on the right hand we play 4th and 5th. Okay? And then we lift the 4th finger to get back to the power chord, and on the right hand we play again 4th and 5th, and then we have the first bar of the riff. Okay? Let's try it together. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, and... Perfect. Then we take the power chord and we move it to the 4th fret of the 6th string. Okay? And we play on the right hand 6, 6, 5. And do you see this line between the 6 and the 8? That means that we have to play a slide. And how do we do it? When we play the number 6, we have to let the finger hold in the string, but we move it to the 8th fret. Okay, so when we play the 8, we're not going to use the right hand. Like that. It's better if we lift the first finger, so we don't get noise from this one. Okay? So I show you the first bar and half of the second bar. Let's try together. 1, 2, 3, and... One more time. 1, 2, 3, and... Nice. And then we move the power chord to the 3rd fret of the 6th string. And the right hand plays 6, 6, 5. And then we come to another slide, but this time we are going to slide only 1 fret, from the 5th to the 6th. let's put the first bar and the second bar together. Let's try together. 1, 2, 3, and. Let's try one more time. 1, 2, 3, and. Okay, that's the first and second bar, but if you look the third and fourth, they are the same. So this is the main riff of the song, and this is what they play on the intro and the verse. So now we're going to try to, when we play the second bar, we are going to do like a loop and play the same thing over and over again. But let's try 2 times together. 1, 2, 3, 4. And let's start again. Okay, and just like that you keep repeating across the whole intro and verse. Let's start with the second riff of the song, and now we're going to play a power chord moving the first finger to the 4th fret of the 6th string. And this time we're going to play a power chord using 3 strings. So we have to put the 4th finger, the pinky finger, on the 6th fret 4th string, like that. Remember that when we play power chords, normally with the right hand we only play the strings that we're holding down with the left hand. Okay, and the whole bar is we play only 8 notes with this power chord. And think that we put it like we take 8 notes in groups of 2. Like 1, 2, and the first one it's a little bit louder than the second one. 1, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. So when we play with the beat, it's a little bit louder. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. We continue to the second bar. It starts with the same power chord, 1, 2, 3, but when we come to the third beat of the bar, right after the beat we have to move to the 3rd fret, like this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's a bit tricky to change after the beat. 1, and then when we're there, we play only 2 times this chord, and then again after the 4th beat, we move the power chord 1 string down until we have the first finger on the 5th string. So the second bar is like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. Now I show you the first and second bar together. 1, 2, 3. Let's try to play this together. 1, 2, 3, and. Nice. One more time. 1, 2, 3, and. 2, 3, Perfect. And then we come to the third bar, where we just continue playing 8th notes on that last power chord that we played, with the first finger on the 3rd fret, 5th string. And remember to think with groups of 2. 1, 1, 1. And when we play the number 1, the first, a little bit louder. 1. 1. Okay, so now let's play bars 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3. I show you one more time. Let's try together. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Nice. Then we come to the 4th bar and we come back to the first power chord. But this time it's not the whole bar playing the same power chord. Instead, after the 4th beat, we have to move until the 3rd fret. So I show you the 4th bar. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? And then we play back to the 4th fret when we come to the 5th bar. So the 4th and 5th bar become like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. And the last bar of the riff, the bar number 6, we come to the 3rd fret with the power chord on the 6th string, and this time we play quarter notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I show you bar 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try together. Bars 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 4. And there we have the second riff. I'm going to play the whole second riff. Okay, let's try to play this together. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, and when we come to the last bar, we continue with the first riff. And that was Sweet Dreams by Marilyn Manson. Remember to subscribe to my channel if you want to get more videos like this one. And if you like this lesson, just give it a thumbs up. You can also visit my website, EasyGuitarTube.com, where you're going to find more tutorials and tabs. Thanks for watching. Bye.